Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity from the eBay, Lenskart and other important company. So if you are the freshers or have some no experience, then this video gonna important for you. So first important hiring from the eBay. Remember friends, I have already provided you update related to eBay in previous video. That was another hiring and this is separate hiring. So don't get confused. So first important hiring from the eBay, they are hiring for the role of DET Associate Software Engineer, and this is the code ID. So if you want to apply, then I will suggest make sure to apply with referral, that will work well. Okay, and you might get reward. So coming to other things, the job description, consultancy, this is engineering role. Okay, and you know about the eBay, this is on the big four company. So your career in consultancy can span across the technology area, services line. So these are the tech stacks and testing services, data analytics, oracle. So ये सब में आपको SAP, बैंकिंग एंड कैपिटल मार्केटिंग सर्विसेज, वेल्थ एंड एसेट मैनेजमेंट, ये सब डोमेन में आप लोगों को काम करने का मौका मिल सकता है फॉर द साइबर सिक्योरिटी टेक्नोलॉजी रिस्क. Now behavioral competency, you should be adaptive to learn and foster collaborative approach, innovative approach to the project when required, must have an eye for detail, and skill required, that should have understanding or experience of software development best practices. Means you should have knowledge of SDLC concept about the things. Okay, and an understanding of one or more programming language such as Java, .NET, Python and data analytics. If you have done any internship, then this will be a added advantage. So BTech in IT, computer science or circuit branches are eligible. Means if you are from the EC other branches, then also you are eligible for this hiring and should have secured 60% and above, and you should not have any active backlog. So if you are meeting these eligibility criteria, which I think is basic, so you should apply for this opportunity. Coming to next important opportunity, that is from the MetLife. They are hiring the junior software platform engineer, and job location is Pune. So you can go through complete roles and description, and these are the tech stacks. So bachelor or master degree in computer science or equivalent engineering degree, and you should have done BTech in IT or CS. So this is a permanent job, you should apply for this. Next important hiring from the Lenskart, they are hiring for the role of DevOps engineer 1 2 3. Okay, so that is the level of the hiring, and job location is Gurgaon, and this will be the tech domain. So platform and cloud engineering, so if you have knowledge of basic of cloud engineering or CI/CD DevOps, then you can apply for this. And what we are looking for, core engineering, so you should have strong foundational knowledge in Linux, networking, DNS and all things, proficiency in Python and Go. And for cloud, these are the important requirements on all things. So if you are the candidates from the CSIT or related technical field, then you can apply for this. You should have some knowledge of this, and if you have some relevant certification, that is from AWS certified solution architecture and other things, then this will also added advantage, but that is not mandatory. So you should apply for this important hiring. Coming to next important opportunity, that is from the Natwest group. They are hiring for the role of software engineer React.js. So if you have knowledge in React.js, then you can apply for this opportunity. And these are the requirement, that experience in HTML, CSS, React.js, and this is a permanent job. So you should apply for this if you are matching with your skill. Friends, if you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can fill our form. We will provide you dedicated feedback that will boost your confidence in real interview. So you can fill the form if you are interested. Coming to last important hiring, and that is from the DLTP intern. So I've already provided a detailed update for this hiring. So if you haven't gone through our previous video, must go through that. So these are the some important job that everyone should apply. And friends, again saying, keep applying for off-campus drive. Don't completely depend on your college. Okay. Currently NQT 2026 hiring has been going on. So if you haven't registered it, register it and start preparing. Okay. So keep applying and keep learning. That's the main thing I want to say. Will be query, feel free to ask a commenter. I will be very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.